Well, go on, beautiful people, it's your girl Shan. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my pistachio ice cream. So come along. Well, go on, guys, welcome back. So today I'll be making some more ice cream. So today ice cream will be pistachio ice cream. So I've got my ingredients here. As I said, I've got some pistachio. This is 1 cup of pistachio. I've got some sugar, 130 grams of sugar. I've got some vanilla extract. I've got some almond extract as well, almond flavored, some almond flavored extract. Some milk, whole milk, and I've got 3 egg yolks here as well. And of course, I've also got my double cream. And we're gonna start off by listing or just chopping our pistachios in our food processor before we go ahead and make our custard. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by pouring in my pistachio, and I'm gonna pour roughly half of my sugar in with my pistachio. So that's roughly half of my 130 grams of sugar into my food processor. I'm going to close it, and I'm just going to so this is my pistachio, nice and blended and ready to be infused, or infuse the milk and double cream. So I've added some sugar, and the pistachio is unsalted pistachio, by the way, guys. So let's go on and making the next step, which is to make the custard. So let's make that now. Okay, so my egg and sugar is nice and pale now, and we're gonna make that into a custard. I'm gonna leave that, put that to one side, and start on my milk. Okay guys, so now I'm going to make the custard, and in our pot we've got our milk that's warming up, and to that I'm going to add my blended pistachio. And I'm just going to stir that in. We're just trying to get the milk to be warm before we use it and temper our egg. We're also trying to dissolve the sugar that was blended with the pistachio. So I'm just gonna make sure that sugar is dissolved. Then I'm gonna temper my egg. So my sugar is dissolved, so now it's time to temper my egg. Okay guys, so it's now time to temper our egg. So I'm gonna put just about a teaspoon of the milk into the egg and whisk it at the same time. So I'm gonna slowly pour some of the warm milk into the egg and whisk it at the same time. And now I'm gonna add it to my warm milk. So I've got my warm milk here. I'm gonna add the egg to our warm milk. and I'm going to add that back onto the stove. Okay, so now it's on the stove. I'm going to use my wooden spoon and do a continuous stir. My heat is on low, really low. We're just trying to get the temperature up to get the custard to a point where we swipe it on the back of our spoon. There's a trace. We're just going to gradually leave this to go to the right temperature. Okay guys, so my custard base is now ready. You might not be able to see the thickness, but it's nice and thick. Could be because the pistachios are inside. It's about 160 degrees. So it's now time to take this off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature, and then I'm going to chill it overnight before I add the remaining of ingredients and churn my ice cream. Okay guys, so I've been chilling this overnight. So this is our custard. So I've been chilling this overnight. So custard. So now I am going to whip my double cream just slightly. So my double cream, I'm gonna add some vanilla extract, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And just a tip of almond extract. Not a lot because it's very strong, so just a little bit. Just to enhance the flavor. So now I'm just going to whisk it just for a few, probably about a minute, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. So that was like a minute and a half of just whisking and just putting some air into the cream. So now I'm going to put the cream, incorporate the cream into the custard. So I'm now going to put some of the cream into the custard mix. Mix that in. At this stage, if you want, you could add your food coloring, your green food coloring, because obviously it's not green, it's more of a brownish color. So probably for more appearance, you can add your green food coloring. I'm not going to add any coloring to mine. You can also add your pistachio flavoring in this time as well if you want to. I'm also not going to add any because I want all natural flavoring in my ice cream. So just fold the cream in the custard. So now I'm going to use my ice cream maker. So now I'm going to pour my custard and my cream in my ice cream maker. I'm going to turn it on. I've frozen my bottom of my ice cream maker. So that was been in the fridge for about a day and a half. And I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to also pour my double cream inside of it to get it to churn. Now we'll just pour the cream inside of the ice cream maker. I'm now going to pour the custard into it as well. So now I'm going to let this churn to the manufacturer setting. Hi guys, so my ice cream is nice and ready. It's been frozen overnight, so now I'm just going to scoop it out and show you guys. As I said previously, before you freeze it, you can add your food coloring for it to be green, or you can add some pistachio flavoring, but since I don't want either of those in there, I'm just using it as it is. That's why it's got a creamy color. And by the way, all your pistachio is at the bottom, so you want to scoop it from the bottom, which makes it even nicer to have that little crunch in there. So scoop it out, as you can see, and this is how I make my pistachio ice cream. Guys, remember to follow me on Instagram, and please remember to subscribe, like and share. Give me any suggestion of what ice cream you like to see me make, and I'll try my best to make it. I do have some amazing one coming up, so please look out for that one. But at the moment, this is how I make my pistachio ice cream. So this is my pistachio ice cream. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Let's have a taste. I'm gonna have a taste. It tastes so good, guys. So good. Wish you could try it. This pistachio got the flavour in there, even without the pistachio flavouring. Definitely think you guys should give this a try. If you've given this a try, please let me know how yours turned out. I will try to do it where you don't have to use the eggs, so I will come up with a recipe without using the eggs, so it's nice, quick and simple. So stay tuned for that one. As I said, there's more fun ice cream coming up, so stay tuned for that. Really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing, leaving your comments and your like. It's much appreciated. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.